Hey everybody, Dan Holland with SoftWash Systems. I am the Director of Operations for North America. And as you guys know, I've been meeting with SoftWash business owners because I'm curious not only about their stories, but I also want you guys to see that there's real people out there all over the country, in fact all over the world, who run these sorts of companies, and I want you to hear their story. So Jaime Bowe is with me today. So Jaime, I want you to introduce yourself, where you're from, the name of your company, and then we'll jump right into this.
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Jaime Bowe. Our company is Xtreme Clean SoftWash. We're based in Prior Lake, Minnesota.
And how long have you been doing SoftWash?
SoftWashing we started in 2017. We went to our first SoftWashapalooza in January 2017.
So this is 17, 18, 19. This is your fourth one?
This will be our fourth one.
Okay, so I asked you the question, your dad started a pressure washing business when,
1984, he started. He's always been the entrepreneur.
Yeah.
1984, he started his mobile on-site power washing company that does heavy trucks, equipment, machinery, things like that.
And he's the one that discovered soft washing. So tell me what happened when he discovered soft washing.
Yeah, so I've worked with my dad since 2008, full-time, after I graduated, and he showed me, he was just Googling the web, and he came across AC's video where he's on the roof cleaning, and he looked to me and he's like, have you ever heard of the word soft wash, seen anything like this? And I said, it's gotta be fake. We don't hear about what the word soft washing in Minnesota. And so it really caught our curiosity, and we found it to be a perfect fit where we already knew the power washing knowledge, knew we shouldn't be doing it on residential homes. So this was going to be something that could probably help our business expand another service, and that's when we came down to 2017 SoftWashapalooza, and we've been doing it ever since, full time. Soft washing in Minnesota is clearly not a full year season, so he stays back and takes care of that, and then when it comes to soft washing, my mom and I come down, learn all the knowledge, and then bring it back to him, and that's how our family dynamic kind of works really great, is feeding off each other and what we learn and do best together.
That's cool. So that's interesting. Your season runs how long? 9 months maybe?
About 5.5.
Wait, seriously?
6. Yeah, we start up maybe in April. October can get a little sketchy depending on the weather. It can drop down to 40 degrees easily in October, so you can still make it work.
Okay, so you've been doing this, let's see, 17, 18, 19, so this is going to be your fourth year.
Correct.
And has it been great?
It has.
Has it been work for you? Because you serve on the board of directors as well. Is this your second year on the board of directors?
This will be my second year on the board of the directors for SoftWash.
Okay, so if someone's looking into SoftWash Systems, the last question I have for you is, what do you say to them besides, it isn't fake?
Yeah, it's definitely not fake. I think no matter where you're at in business, and we see a lot of people with window cleaning companies or small family dynamics, and this is really a perfect fit for any small business that wants to get in. You get the education, you get the training, you have the network that's willing to help. A lot of other companies out there are just not as willing to help you. And so the support of this network, the technology that they provide, and the products that are all biodegradable and safe for the environment is something that fit our family and that we really wanted to do full-time, go in with, and have become successful at it. So it can happen. You just gotta put your mind to it and implement.
Yeah, I appreciate you taking time to
Thank
tell me
you.
about your company, and I'm glad we were found to not be fake.
Yep, nope.
That's the
There
big
we go.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dan.